Building the technology cornerstone. TXGA M8 series circular connector. Available in a variety of core numbers from 2 to 8 pins. Depends on the number of cores. The product supports rated current 1.5A, 4A. Rated voltage 30V, 60V, 63V. Connector types are divided into straight plugs, elbow plug, illuminated plug, embedded plug, decoded plug, decoded socket, 90 degrees, 180 degrees PCB board socket. Corded sockets and other different forms. Product portfolio covers mainstream market needs. The panel opening diameter of the TXGA M8 circular connector is only 8.1 mm. Enables more compact panel designs. After installation, the connector shielding shell can effectively suppress EMI and RFI interference. Product plug-in methods include threaded connection and embedded quick plug options. Embedded quick plug operation is efficient and convenient. Protection level is IP65. Threaded connections are securely installed. Protection level reaches IP68. The product can withstand vibration frequency 10-500 Hz. Amplitude 0.35 mm. Vibration test with maximum acceleration 50 mm/s superscript 2. And passed the low temperature -40 degrees Celsius. Hot and cold shock cycle test at high temperature 105 degrees Celsius. TXGA M8 circular connector meets 3 coding types, A, B, and D. A and B coded connectors comply with IEC 61076-2-104 connector standards. Decoded connector complies with IEC 61076-2-114 standard. Transmission rate up to 100 Mbps. Complies with IEEE 802.3 Ethernet protocol. Support PO function. Product can be used in high humidity, corrosive gas, in industrial environments such as high and low temperature alternating. For automation sensors and actuators. Provide rugged, safe and reliable interconnect solutions. From TXGA M8 circular connector. Enter TXGA official website. You can quickly obtain product technical information. Inventory and shipping cycles, product prices and other information. Order online on TXGA official website. Enjoy a convenient and efficient service experience.